हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः। राजोवाच कथितो वंशविस्तारो भवता सोमसूर्ययोः राज्ञां च उभयवंश्यानां चरितं परमाद्भुतं यदोश्च धर्मशीलस्य नितरां मुनिसत्तमा तत्रांशेनावतीर्णस्य विष्णोर्वीर्याणि शंसनः अवतीर्य यदोर्वंशे भगवान् भूतभावनः कृतवान् यानि विश्वात्मा तानि नो वद विस्तरात् निवृत्ततर्षैरुपगीयमानात् भवौषधात् श्रोत्रमनोभिरामात् क उत्तमश्लोकगुणानुवादात् पुमान् विरजेत विना पशुघ्नात् पितामहा मे समरे अमरञ्जयैः देवव्रतादि अतिरथैः तिमिङ्गिलैः दुरत्ययं कौरवसैन्यसागरम् कृत्वा तरन् वत्सपदं स्म यत्प्लवाः द्रौण्यस्तविप्लुष्टमिदं मदङ्गं सन्तानबीजं कुरु पाण्डवानां जुगोपकुक्षिं गद आतचक्रो मातुश्च मेयः शरणं गतायाः वीर्याणि तस्याखिलदेहभाजाम् अन्तर्बहिः पूरुषकालरूपैः प्रयच्छतो मृत्युमुतामृतं च मायामनुष्यस्य वदस्व विद्वन् रोहिण्यास्तनय प्रोक्तो रामः सङ्कर्षणस्त्वया देवक्या गर्भसम्बन्धः कुतो देहान्तरं विना कस्मान् मुकुन्दो भगवान् पितुर्गेहात् व्रजं गतः क्व वासं ज्ञातिभिः सार्धं कृतवान् सात्वतां पतिः व्रजे वसन् किमकरोन् मधुपुर्यां च केशवः भ्रातरं चावधीत् कंसं मातुरद्धातदर्हणम् देहं मानुषमाश्रित्य कतिवर्षाणि वृष्णिभिः यदुपुर्यां सहावात्सीत् पत्न्याः कत्यभवन् प्रभो एतदन्यच्च सर्वं मे मुने कृष्णविचेष्टितं वक्तुमर्हसि सर्वज्ञा श्रद्दधानाय विस्तृतं नैषातिदुस्सहा क्षुन्मां त्यक्तोदमपि बाधते पिबन्तं त्वन्मुखाम्बोजच्युतं हरिकथामृतम्।
So nice, so nice. पिबन्तं त्वन्मुखाम्बोज श्रुतं हरिकथामृतम्. What to say of the sweetness? Dashamaskandam is sweet. Parikshit way of speaking is sweet. Shuka Brahma's answers are sweet, and the way you are reading Dashamam is sweet. Oh, so nice. This is the way to enjoy Dashamaskandam. With a group of Rasikaha, Bhuvi Bhavukaha, and reading so nicely and full freedom just to enjoy. Pibantam Twan Mukambojachyutam Harikatamritam. Namaskandam. After all, beautiful Ambarisha Charitram, Ramayanam, all those things. At the end, in one small chapter, he has finished the entire story of Krishna. So, this Parikshit is thinking, oh my God, this is the story I wanted to hear. Why has he shortened it so much? So he's making this request. Vada Vistarate. Please expand. All our time we want to spend in listening to Hari Kathamritam. The way it is flowing, it's like a grand river of sweetness. Rasa Sudha. That Rasa Sudha is flowing and we are enjoying. Tvam mukham bhojachutam. Premi Anna once said, what is the purpose of all these avatars? Why do all these avatara? Do all this, go and kill somebody, fight somebody? No, that is not the purpose. Is Satya Sankalpa. Just by thinking, Ravana can be destroyed, Kamsa can be destroyed. That is enough. But if Avatara is done, if all these Leelas are done, then so many sadhus, so many different places, so many bhaktas, so many bhavukas will read Bhagavatam, will read Ramayana. That is why Avataras were done. Apparently, there is a song, Tyagaraja has written a song that only reason for Rama Avataram was for me to sing all these songs, he said. Hare, what is this? Hanuman said it is because he gave him an embrace. Yeah, that is true, but I need some substance for my song, no? That is why he did all those Leelas. If Avataram is there, if Leela is there, then we can enjoy. Bodhayanta parasparam katayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Tushyanti. People are delighted. Somebody reads Dashamam, we are so happy to hear it. Somebody is speaking about Dashamam, we are happy to hear. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. He also said one secret. He said, Shuka Brahman has been speaking all along. He wants to give Parikshit an opportunity. So, the beginning of any pravachana, of anything is called avatarika. The opening. So, he has given the opening for Dashamaskanda to this great devotee Parikshit. So, avatarika for Dashamam is being done by Parikshit, and then Shuka Brahman is giving us the Dashamaskanda. A beautiful way to look at this. Katito Vamsha Vistaro. The Sun Dynasty, the Moon Dynasty, you have given such detailed descriptions. Rajnyam cha Ubhaya Vamshyanam. Both dynasties. Paramadbhutam. Those stories were amazing. I want to know, in this particular Yadukula, Vishnur Vidyani Avatidya Yador Vamshi Bhagavan has come. I want to hear that story, and I don't want to hear a short form. I want to hear the Vistarate. I want to hear the long form of the story. I want to enjoy. Please tell me in great detail. Nivrutta Tarshay Rupagiyamanat. All the people who have already crossed this samsara, they also enjoy this Harikatha Amritam. Atma Ramascha Munayaha Nirgranta Apyurukrame Kurvanti Ahaitukim Bhaktim Itthambhuta no Harihi. You saw that sloka earlier, no? He's saying people like you will enjoy Dashama because of the nature of Dashama. For people like us, Dashamam will become an aushadhi. Bhava aushadhat. But it will be a sweet aushadhi. Shrotra mano viramat. Therefore we want to hear Pitamaha me. My grandfather was in that huge war. Duratyayam Kaurava Sainya Sagaram. Kaivartaka Keshava hai. He knows. So he is saying that Sagaram was so difficult to cross. And my grandparents were able to cross because of this Krishna. How did they cross? In Ramayana we say, Goshpati Kritavarashim. Same thing appears here. Vatsapadam Sma Yat Plavaha. Vatsapadam. They were able to cross that. Just like Ramayana devotees cross the samsara sagara as if it is a Goshpadi. Similarly, Dashama devotees cross it as if it is a Vatsapada. Vatsapadam sa Sma Yat Plavaha. And what about me? This Dronacharya's son, he had sent one astra, terrible astra. And my body inside my mother's womb had already been destroyed. Viplushtam idam madangam. We are supposed to not have identification with the body, no? We are supposed to keep thinking that the body is temporary. The Atma is a reflection of that Krishna Paramatma, and that is permanent. That is Jnanam, no? But here Parikshit is saying Madangam. Why? Protected by Krishna. Therefore, he has great regard for this body also. Santana Bijam Matuscha me. She was so terrified. She went straight to do Sharanagati to that Krishna. Matuscha me yasharanam gatayaha. He is everywhere. He is in and out. Antarbahihi. Inside he is the animation. He is the Chaitanya Swarupam for all these jivas. Outside is the Kala Swarupa. What does that mean? Beautiful. Purusha Kala Rupaihi. For devotees, he is inside and takes them to this ocean of sweetness. For non-devotees, he is outside as the Kala Swarupa. They get their birth, they do all these karmas, they reach one end, they get another janma, and so on. Both of them he is only leading. These swajanas are led to some sweetness. These people who are in samsara, they get led to further successive births. Therefore he is saying, Antarbahihi Purusha Kala Rupaihi Prayachato Mrityumuta Amrutam Cha. It's only a leela for him. All avatara is only a leela. Maya Manushyasya Vadasva Vidwan. You said that Rama, Balarama, Sankarshana was born to Rohini, but you also said there was Devaki's Garbha Sambandha. So I didn't understand. Is it a different avataram or same avataram? How can somebody have two mothers in the same avatara? Similarly, how did this Mukunda go from his father's house to this Vraja? Kasmat Mukundo Bhagavan. Mukundo, he's saying. Mukunda means the one who provides mukti, one who provides moksha. So he's saying Mukundo Bhagavan Pitrgehat Brajam Gataka Braje Vasan Kimakarot. What all did he do in Braja? Dashamaskanda Leela is in three parts. Braja Leela, Mathura Leela, Dwaraka Leela. Braja Leela includes Gokula Leela, Vrindavana Leela. So he's asking, please tell me. Braja Leela. I want to hear the Braja Leela. Why was this uncle killed? Kamsam Matuhu Brataram Cha Avadhiti. Why did he do that? How many years did he show himself in this Manushya form? Deham Manusham Kati Varshani. I may not have asked everything. Please say whatever I have asked. Please also tell me all the things that I have not asked. मैं पूछा वो भी दे दो मेरे को, मैं नहीं पूछा वो भी दे दो. एतद् अन्यं च. एतत् अन्यश्च सर्वं मे मुने कृष्ण विचेष्टितं वक्तुम् अर्हसि. वक्तुम् अर्हसि. You are the one who is most suitable, most qualified to say all these things. Why? Number one, when you speak, it is so sweet. Everything you say is amrita. Second thing, if there is anybody who knows all the Krishna Leelas, it is you, Sarvajna. Vivantam Tvan Mukham Boja Chutam. Chutam means flowing. Opposite of Achyutam. Chutam. Harikatha Amritam.